everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Stars. So if you are new, you're welcome. So in today's video, we're gonna finally be making skin lightening body butter cream. So many of you have been requesting for this video, and I also have been waiting for the module to come up in my class so that I can come here and show you guys how to make it. So finally, we are going to be making it today. So I'm going to show you the ingredients we are going to be using to make this body butter cream, skin lightening body butter cream. All right. Okay, let's get to work. So to make this, you need something like this, or any mixing bowl you have. You get it. Next, I'm going to be needing my coconut oil. Then here I have my shea butter. It was too strong, so I have to just melt it using double boiler just to soften it a little, so it will be easy for me to take it out of the container. And here I have my skinwhite MSH. It's a very powerful skin lightener. If you can afford it, it's very good. You can use it or use any other oil soluble skin lightener. Please don't use ordinary kojic acid or alpha arbutin because they are water soluble. You can't use it in body butter. And next I will be using kojic acid dipalmitate. This is different from ordinary kojic acid because ordinary kojic acid is water soluble, while this one is oil soluble. That's the only kojic acid that you can use in body butter. Reason is because body butter does not contain water. Next, I will be adding my infused pineapple oil to it. So it's very good for our skin also, and the promote skin lightening also. I will add my lemon essential oil, which is known as a good skin lightener also. And here I'll be adding my cedarwood oil to it, licorice extract oil, my turmeric infused oil. I did it myself. I have the video on my channel. My papaya leaf oil that I infused myself. But if you have ordinary papaya oil, you can use it also. And I will be adding my carrot infused oil. I did it myself. And finally, we'll be adding our neem infused oil. I did it myself also. So all these are going to help promote and brighten up the skin. So let's get started. So next, I'm going to go ahead and measure my coconut oil. I'm using half cup. Then add the shea butter. So here is the coconut oil and the shea butter. I have melted it a little, but you can see there's still some chunks of the shea butter in there. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the lightening powders because they don't dissolve easily. So we need hot or warm oil to help dissolve them. So I am taking my skin white and I will be adding 1 teaspoon of skin white powder to it, and also a teaspoon of kojic acid dipalmitate. Give it a stir. If you are doing this, make sure your oil doesn't go more than 170 degree Fahrenheit. It doesn't have to be too hot. If not, the powders you added, the lightening powders, won't be effective. So make sure your oil is below 170 or 172 to 170. So you can see, I'm going to go ahead and add other oil, but before I do that, I like to take my temperature and make sure the temperature is okay. So I'll start by adding my turmeric oil to it. Neem oil, carrot oil, papaya leaf oil, a powerful skin brightness, powerful skin brightener additives, pure and natural, extracted at home. No long story. Adding sandalwood extracted oil, licorice oil, now. Lemon, pineapple oil, pure and natural organic cause. So I'm gonna give it a little stir. Woo! If you're having eczema, acne, stretch mark, any kind of dry skin, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any kind of skin problem, this will take care of it. This is going to take care of it. So now, stir it properly and make sure everything is well mixed. So we cover it, put it in the refrigerator and let it cool down before we start whisking. Just took it off the fridge now, so you can see it's not too thick. So this is how it's gonna be. So next thing, I'm gonna whip it up. You can see how it is now. See it. So I'm gonna whip it. So you can see it's fluffy, looks like ice cream. You know, banana ice cream, it looks like banana ice cream. You see that? So it's fluffy. You can see the, oh my gosh, did you see the mess? Don't make a mess like me. Oh, you can see how the color turns out because of the turmeric oil, carrot oil, neem oil, papaya leaf oil. Those are the reason why the color turns out this creamy. I love it. Did you see? Got stuck. It's not the one that you do, we just fall off. When you whip it correctly, this is the result you will get. No matter what you do, it's gonna just hang in there. You see? So guys, that is it. That's how to make your skin lightening body butter, okay? Or I call it body butter cream. Okay. All right guys, so that will be it for the for today's tutorial. If you have any question, you leave it down below in the description box, and for all the ingredients and measurements I use in this video, you will see all on my website. If you want to buy any of the ingredients, I'm going to leave the link also where you can get the ingredients I use in this recipe, or will I call it in this formulation, not recipe. So I'm going to leave all the link where you can get all the ingredients and you make yours, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Stay organically beautiful. Bye bye. See you soon.